Hello guys, it's Marie Stick here, and here is a Whelen vortex here in Bethalto. It's located by the Bethalto splash area here. They're probably closed during the season because it's almost winter. But here is a Whelen vortex. I don't know if I'm aiming it right. The damn sun is making it really hard to see where I'm going. But here it is. And again, these sirens are both located on Central Street, East Central Street. This might be a laggy video because I can't hardly get the siren when with the damn sun in my eyes. But there's the control box. You can see the control box. Then up there's the siren. And it goes off every first Tuesday at 10 a.m. And then over there is the STH-10. You can barely see it, but it's right over there. And both of the sirens are on Central Street, East Central Street. So I'm gonna come over here because sometimes the sun just makes it really difficult. So this might be a laggy video, and I do apologize to you siren fans. But you can probably get a better view of it from here. I have to squint my eyes because the stupid sun's making it really difficult to see where the heck I'm going. And that's just not good when I'm trying to film sirens for you guys to make you siren fans happy and the stupid sun's in your eyes. So this might not be a great video, guys, so I do apologize. I mean, if the sun was over behind a cloud or something, this would be an easy video. But I'm trying to make it good for you guys, and it's hard to see where, because the sun makes the lens tinted. So yeah, we could barely see it over there, but it's pretty impressive. Again, it's located by the splash pad here, and there's like a ballpark over here. But the stupid sun's making it really hard. So again, my apologies. I could come again and make a better video for you guys, but with the stupid sun in my eyes, it just makes it really hard to see where the heck I'm going. But that's the siren. That's the siren. I'm gonna have to look at this video and see if it's good before I upload it. But I always want to make you siren fans happy. Again, it goes off every first Tuesday, 10 a.m. It alerts the people by the ballpark that are playing basketball over there to seek shelter if weather is bad. But other than that, that's the siren. And then over there, if you guys can see it, I might have to come over here, is the STH-10, and that's the siren I filmed first. And then Bethalto's also got one by the school, so they got like quite a few sirens. But right over there is the STH-10. And then this is their one right there. But peace to you guys.